My blood sugar was out of control.
I've had blood sugar problems for many, many years.
I've had high blood sugar levels for as long as I can remember.
You know, for someone in his late 60s with diabetes for many, many years, I've been worried about my sugars.
It made me crazy with constant testing and worrying.
I was dealing with needles and blood testing, doctor's appointments, excessive hunger.
I've tried diet, exercise.
It's been no fun.
When I first started doing this, my blood sugars fasting in the morning were 120s, 140s, 170s.
I was just desperate, so I was ready to try anything.
I was sent this about a week ago.
And then I got this.
I stumbled upon this one day.
Taking 2 pills a day.
So I tried this blood sugar support.
My blood sugar levels dropped 10 points.
I noticed that my points, my blood sugar level had dropped by like, what, 19 points?
After a few days, I noticed a real change.
My blood sugars in the morning are in the 70s.
I gotta say, this took about 10 to 20 numbers off my levels.
I can eat a few sweets now and not worry about a huge spike.
Dude, I was ecstatic, man. I was like, this is so cool, man.
My life feels a heck of a lot better.
Now I feel confident. I can control my blood sugar.
I can't tell you how much relief this has given me.
I have more energy, and when I jab that finger and look at my numbers, I'm really happy about it.
I finally feel like I have some control over my blood sugars.
I feel better. My life is better.
I am so excited.
I feel much, much better, and life is great.
You should try it too.